it's morning and we're here in Maui. Cloudy over the mountains especially, except for that area where it's sunny. I'll be going out for a walk. Alright, I'm outside in Maui. There's a great ship there, Ruby. Just outside now, waiting for a light to cross. Apparently jaywalking is a $130 fine. There's our ship down there. There's an outdoor mall, I guess, just outside the port. Okay, I'm sitting down here in the middle of this it's a fairly big outdoor mall, similar to anything you'd find in the US, I think. I was looking for some gifts for my grandkids, like a shirt or t-shirt that would say Hawaii on it, but all the stores that I found so far are geared more towards the residents, not tourism. I mean, they have some like, I wouldn't call them Hawaiian style shirts, but you could find the same shirt anywhere even in Toronto. You could probably find one of those, but nothing that says Hawaii on it. So yeah, I think these stores are geared more to residents. I see people shopping in them, but you know, they're residents. They're not tourists. Anyway, I'll look around some more, see if I can find something that's open. It is a Saturday, and it's about 10 o'clock now, so things should be opening, I guess. All right. Okay, I did find two stores here that had goods for tourists like me, and I did end up buying some stuff for my grandkids. I just have one more to buy for. I can do that one of the other islands. I thought I saw a Baskin-Robbins somewhere here. I'm going to go there and get an ice cream. And then head back towards the ship. It's a long walk, I tell you. It took me about 20 minutes to get here from the ship. I'm walking back to the ship. There's the mall over that. And there's the mountains there with the houses on the side of the mountain, on the side of the volcano. I'm going to take a better shot of that from the ship. Anyway, it's a long walk. It's about 11 o'clock now. And the sun's beaming down, so it's getting hotter. So I did find a couple of shops that has souvenir stuff, at least that said Hawaii on it, or Maui. I think the grandkids are gonna like it. And here's that long passageway now to get back to the ship. Look at that tree. A lot of roosters around. They told us that on the ship. It's their national bird, I think. They have it on some of the t-shirts, but I didn't get one. I don't think the grandkids would have understood that. There's a few roosters there. They're not afraid, eh? Hello.
His name is Ellie.
Sorry?
His name is Ellie.
Ellie. Beautiful colors.
Yeah, he knows it too.
Apparently that's the alpha male there. And the one down there was the old alpha male. This guy keeps chasing him away. Okay, I'm on deck 19 now. Get a bird's eye view of the island. There's that fire there. Looks like it's in an open area, or maybe an area with trees. Could be a bushfire, or it's a lot of smoke though for a bushfire. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, there's a beach there. I walked over there to that shopping area there. I could have just walked across the street to the... I didn't know there was a beach there. Maybe I'll go a little later. We're here till 5:30, so... Looks really hard to do. Especially standing up when you're kneeling down. There he goes, he's standing, Yep. How do you hold on to that thing on a strong wind?